Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a quick DIY I'm doing with these red cone trees I got at Hobby Lobby. Let's get started. So welcome everyone to Kay's Creative Home, where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Today, as I said earlier, I'd like to show you a quick DIY I did with these red cone trees that I got from Hobby Lobby. They came three different sizes. I'm about to take them apart so you can see this large, the medium, and the small. And I'm going to share the prices here. Originally $9.99 for the largest one, but everything is half price right now for Christmas. And while I'm sharing the other ones, I just want to say that they did have these with ornaments already filled in, but they weren't the color I wanted. And I also want to share, if you want to check Kimberly Davis' channel, Divas Designing on a Dime. She hauled some from another store that look a little different, and hers were filled with ornaments already. So to give you another idea of what you can have for the Christmas holidays. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take these ornaments that I have here beside me, and I'm going to fill them in with the color scheme that I would like to have. And then I'm going to close the bottom up using this craft wire. And I believe this is 16 gauge craft wire. So we're going to start with the largest one. And what we're going to simply do is turn it over. And I'm going to take this basket here that I sometimes use to store my crafts in. And I'm going to just quickly open up all of these ornaments so that I can have quick access to them. So give me a minute while I get all of these dropped into this basket. Now that I have all of my ornaments available, the next step is to just quickly and randomly drop some into the bottom of this tree until I've filled it up completely. And I'm trying to put in different sizes, different colors, so that won't have huge gaps in the spacing of the ornaments. So next what I want to do is take some wire, and I trimmed off some pieces already, and I'm just going to hook it to both sides of the opening here at the bottom so that the ornaments won't fall out when I stand it up. And this is kind of how it's going to look. And as you can see, it's just made enough closure so that the ornaments won't fall through. So this one I had some difficulties doing, so I'm going to show you with the medium sized one exactly how I did this. Now, if you enjoy these kind of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. That really helps me out with my YouTube channel. All right, so for the next one, what we did, and I filled it up completely, and I'm going to snatch this tag off real quick and get my wires ready. And what I'm going to do is just bend back one side, and you can see how that looks. And I'm going to hook it to one end of this opening, and then take the other side once I know the length I need, and I'm just going to bend that back. And the tool I'm using is something I use for making jewelry, but of course you could probably just use a pair of pliers or anything where you can grip it, and then just bend back the end. So I'm going to do about 4 of these lines with wire going across the bottom so that the ornaments won't be able to fall through, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So here are my 3 trees filled with the ornament colors of my choosing, and I just love how they turned out. So if you enjoyed the video, again, give it a thumbs up and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified as I release new videos. I've got so many more DIYs for the holidays, and I'm going to start my home decorating real soon. And we'll just have some wonderful times together as we prepare for the Christmas holidays. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.